Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to check who's using your Wi-Fi and block them. So the process is actually very simple. Now for most routers, the code should be 192.168.0.1. But if this does not work for you, then you can go ahead and try 192.168.1.1 on your search bar, not this one, but where you type in your URL, click on that and paste it and see if that loads up a website like this. Now for most people, the username and password should be admin, but if it's not admin, then you can call your ISP, internet service provider, and ask them, hey, what is my admin password, and they'll let you know. So basically I can directly check my Wi-Fi clients from the home page. If you can't, then I'll say go to settings, wireless network, or internet and WAN, and from there you should see your Wi-Fi clients. But nonetheless, I'll click on this. Now let's say I don't recognize this phone, so what I'll do is right click on the pencil and just click on deny, and this person will be cut off. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.